Good morning. Welcome to JFK Airport. How can I help you today?
Good morning. This is my first time at an airport, and I'm feeling a bit lost. Could you guide me through the process?
Of course. First, may I know where you're flying to and which airline you're traveling with?
I'm flying to Los Angeles with American Airlines.
Great. Your first step is to check in. Do you already have your boarding pass? Or do you need to check in at the counter?
I haven't checked in yet. How do I do that?
You can either check in at the airline's counter over there, points to the American Airlines desk, or use one of the self-service kiosks next to it. Do you have luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one large suitcase and a carry-on bag.
Perfect. At the counter, they'll weigh your checked bag, attach a luggage tag, and give you your boarding pass. Make sure to keep it handy.
Got it. What happens after I check in?
After check-in, you'll head to the security checkpoint. Do you have any liquids or electronics in your carry-on?
Yes, I have a laptop and some toiletries.
At security, you'll need to take your laptop out of your bag and place it in a separate bin. Any liquids should be in containers of 100 milliliters or less and stored in a clear plastic bag.
Okay, I'll make sure to do that. Is there anything else I should know about security?
You'll also need to take off your shoes, belt, and jacket and empty your pockets. Once you're cleared, you can head to your gate. Do you know your gate number?
Not yet. How can I find it?
Your gate number will be on your boarding pass. If it's not printed yet, you can check the flight information screens located throughout the terminal.
That's helpful. How do I get to my gate from here?
After security, follow the signs for Terminal 8, which is where American Airlines operates. Your gate will be clearly marked.
Great. And how early should I be at the gate?
It's best to be at your gate at least 30 minutes before boarding. Boarding usually starts about 45 minutes before departure.
Thanks for the advice. By the way, where can I grab something to eat while I wait?
There's a food court just past security. You'll find coffee shops, fast food, and sit-down restaurants.
Perfect. One last question. What happens if I miss my flight?
If you miss your flight, go straight to the airline counter and they'll assist you with rebooking. Try to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before your flight to avoid that situation.
Thank you so much, Emily. You've been incredibly helpful.
You're very welcome, John. Have a great flight and enjoy your trip to Los Angeles.
Thanks. Have a great day.